Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, what do we have here? We've got, these are chocolate almond toffee caramel corns, Marionberry jam. These are Marionberry coated Oregon hazelnuts. These are Nuts on the Run, another Oregon product, honey glazed nuts. These are Oregon grown, you can see that, hazelnuts. And this is Tillamook ice cream. Check it out, made all in Oregon. All right, every one of these products is from Oregon. These are made in, it says, handmade in Oregon coast. So we're gonna try this. It's chocolate almond toffee caramel corn. Oh, just get that caramel corn, got the toffee. One more, just as thumbs up. Good gift. One down. Taste of Oregon. These are Marionberry chocolate coated Oregon hazelnuts. These are made in Oregon, in Salem. And Marionberry is a big popular berry out there. And as you can tell by the bag, I've had some of these before. Just to let you know how good these taste. Check them out. Sweet, sweet berry. The chocolate's perfect. And hazelnuts, well, I got a whole bunch right here. And I have a video on why you should eat hazelnuts. Because they taste great, best with that chocolate. But there's some hazelnuts. This is another one, this made right in Hillsboro, Oregon. Very good. Another local product. Try local products, visit places, explore. That's delicious. This is Marionberry jam. You know, you of course could put this on toast or whatever you want. I'm just for tasting, let's try it. Oh my goodness. That is delicious. I'm gonna have a nice toast with some peanut butter and some Marionberry jam. Tart and sweet. Oh, Nuts on the Run. These are honey glazed nuts. These are made in Portland. Nuts, almonds, cashews, honey, sesame seeds, Himalayan salt. These are delicious. Then you wash it all down with Tillamook Creamery. I have a video about that. It's north. It's cow country, pasture country, dairy country. You've probably seen Tillamook in your grocery. They make cheeses, they make milk, they make yogurt, they make butter. But I think the best thing they make is ice cream. Less air, more cream. One of the best ice creams out there. This one is, I mean, white chocolate raspberry, please. Let me take a couple hazelnuts, pop those babies in there. Mix them, and take a bite with the hazelnut. Oh, that's good. But we're not done there. Now you take some honey glazed nuts, drop those babies in there. Oh, okay. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at YouTube. I got shorts. I got videos about anything about life. Tell people about it, subscribe. Let me know what you like, let me know what I can do. And keep eating and discovering new places. Until next time, peace. I'm trying this one.
Live life 365.
Hold on one second. Don't be a pig, Mikey. My wife and I used to go to Hawaii a lot. Now we go to the Oregon coast because it's closer. What else you got, Mikey? Baba. Home of the recently crowned NBA champion Portland Trailblazers. Only thing that would make them better would be some what? You know it. Some hazelnuts and some Marionberries. Sweet Mabu! Oh. That's a buff. Maybe we should put Marionberry on it. Peace. Baba.